Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
Correct. Correct. It's to do these things, to be honest. Because the console. When you work on a console, some few things would be really difficult to understand. There are a lot of things here. Backup, then you have backup, copy, disk copy. You have to go and check each and every option here and explore them and find out what exactly is happening. What is backup copy? What does it store? What is this? Here it is backup. Here it is backup. That means I created. It's a replication, isn't it? Exactly, just a replication. I will just go ahead and delete it. And this is disk. It is storing my all the backup data here. You will find it under backups disk. It is storing these many jobs of data. This one, this one, this one. And where exactly is it storing? It just says disk. But which disk? What is the path? How can I find out? I just have to click on it. I can go to properties. It is storing here. On the VPR server. On the default backup repository. You have to find out where is this repository. Default backup repository. I can go to backup in front. Backup repositories. I have these two backup repositories. Default backup. If I go to properties of this, click on next. It is the repository server. There are a lot of options to explore. When you explore, you will find it very easy. Initially, it was also very calm because I have worked on numerous backup solutions. Initially, it was also complicated for me. But does it make sense until we get the correct picture, isn't it? Everything is like that, but I believe you are getting it. My main problem is I am scared to do things. I don't want to make any, majority of the system. I am working like I am. Control room systems. Correct? Because those, if you are not sure, we shouldn't be touching it. Unless and until we are comfortable and confident enough. We covered. Today we gone through the backup modes. That was important. You have to make sure that you thoroughly practice on the backup modes. Because if someone says, please configure forever forward for me, then you shouldn't be confused. What is forever forward? You have to just make a note of it. Watch out what I've told you and maintain a copy of it. You can go through it even if you don't remember. You can just go to the notes. This is what it is. Because even I maintain the same stuff like that because I don't remember everything. Of course. Is that the last thing in the backup modes which we missed was the extension. Once that is done, then you can ask your questions. After that, we can wrap it up. Oh, we have 3 types of backup. One is sorry. Full backup is there. Then we have incremental. These are in common scenarios. We have full backup, we have incremental backup. That is the common in most of the backup solution. In Veeam we have full backup. We have incremental and we have different differential. We don't have it differential again. It's just a backup terminology we use, but I'm just talking specific to Veeam. We have one full backup. Once the full backup is taken, it stores that backup. This is called as full backup for incremental. It will store it as. This is normal incremental. Normal incremental is forever forward. In the reverse, it will store the information in V. These are the three extensors you will find. Let's go and check. My backups are being stored on G drive, backup before. These are the backups. I open this, we are tiny. You see the extension. Let's see. Backup for the backup and the type here. It says full backup. Correct? And we incremental. Increment. Just by looking at the extension also, you can find out if it is. What will backup or is it an incremental backup? For forever forward. And forward incremental. The extension is same but for remain reverse it is VRB. You have to because I'm not performing reverse incremental. It is not showing V. It is only showing VLI. And in most of the environments, you will only see VIB because I told that VRB reverse incremental, slower. No customers will perform. Sorry when we use this synthetic one. Extension is the same. Synthetic. See if you perform synthetic backup. What synthetic does? Synthetic does a full backup. It will EVK. Because what synthetic is doing, it's running a full backup every week. Periodic full backups every week. It will store in VBK format. Whatever we have discussed, the best thing I would recommend you is, whatever we are discussing on the session, you go and cross. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.